Hello, I'm Roger with AIS. Have you ever printed a document and saw these lines on your paper? You may have dirt on your Slit glass. On this video, I'm going to show you how you properly clean your copier so we can get rid of these ugly lines. Let's get started. What can cause these lines? There is dirt on this Slit glass. If you have lines on both sides, there is dirt on this glass and on this glass. Step 1, find the cleaner rag that comes with the copier machine on this compartment and also use the cleaner liquid. It could be Windex or a glass cleaner. Step 2, apply the liquid cleaner to the cleaner rag. Open the document feeder and clean the Slit glass for the front side. Close the document feeder, open the cover and clean the Slit glass for the back side. Now that you got it clean, it's time to make a copy. No lines. That means your Slit glasses are clean. If you still receive lines on your copies, please request a service call. It's that easy. We hope this video helped. Check out our other videos on YouTube, or if you still have questions, give us a call.